Hey, what's up? Hello, how are you? Okay, now let's talk about 2006 D Penny. Okay, let's find out the price or the value of a 2006 D Lincoln Penny in top condition. Yes, 2006 D Lincoln Penny in top condition. Okay, here we go. The most valuable 2006 D penny to ever sell in a public offering was graded MS68RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and fetched $1,292.50 in a 2016 auction. Wow, $1,292.50 for 2060 penny, graded MS68RD. Okay, that's all. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe.